Weche mag somo riwruog jopuonj KUPPET onyiso luoro ewi kaka itayo chenro mar rwako jopuonjre mag grade 10 e skunde mag senior. KUPPET wacho ni chenrono oketo skunde moko kama rach to ahinya skunde manie kidieny ma C4 ma ichich ni nyalo podho kaluwore ni gionge kod jopuonjre. Jakombo KUPPET Omboko Welemba wacho ni skunde mag C4 ok oyudo jopuonjre kaka owinjore.
There's a challenge with the entrance of grade 10 to schools. The C1 schools, it's like they have taken all the students, and if we don't take care of quartering this entrance to schools, we shall lose the C4 schools. And remember, these are the schools that are actually having the majority of the students who are from poor families because they walk to school and come back. The ministry must think of how to rationalize entrance, both in the way to the C4 schools, so that we don't lose the real schools which